What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. Welcome to Big Money Mindset 2 Rocket Fuel channel. In today's video, I have some very exciting news for you. You're going to have to do your due diligence. I'm going to help you guys in this video. This is a SPAC stock that ARK has been loading up on for the past couple of months. And this is one of the first SPAC stocks that they even bought into out of all the SPAC stocks, that have been announced. That is IPOB, OPENDOOR. I've been watching this stock, I've been buying this stock, I've been recommending this stock, and I'm going to show you some very unique attributes about this stock in this video, and you're going to be very excited for the information that I have for you. Once again, only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on IPOB OPENDOOR. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. Guys, the CEO Chamath, he explained that he believes that this company is going to be a 10x investment, for everyone that gets in at that early time frame, okay? This stock was announced September 15th, 2020. So it's been a couple of months. I've been watching the stock and buying this stock. We know that the deal is valued at nearly $4.8 billion. Literally 2 weeks into the stock's announcement, ARK decided to load up on this stock, and they've been buying like crazy these past couple of months. I think it's up to 1 million plus shares now, a couple million. So ARK Investing truly believes in this company. I believe in the long term, and right now, we're going to go take a look into those stock charts. But you need to understand about this stock, they make some buku crazy money. This company is not a speculation company, on future sales for 2022, 2023, planning and stuff like that. This company is in the market right now, absolutely dominating. So I know we've seen some spec stocks sell off last week, but this one could be one of the first ones to just run forever and never come back. It is very possible, okay? I'm loading up on calls. I've been in calls for the past couple of weeks. I'm already up pretty dang solid, nearly doubled my money already, and I'm waiting for them crazy jumps in the short term. But I want you guys to put this on your radar. You're going to be getting this stock Sunday night, so Monday it opens. We could see some crazy price movements these next couple of weeks, and I just want this one to be on your radar immediately. Guys, this is the investor presentation on OPENDOOR. We are the innovator and market leader. Key metrics, 80,000 homeowners served, 10 billion homes sold, 2017, 0.7 billion, 1.8 billion in 2018, 4.7 billion in 2019. This company makes crazy profits, 4.7 billion, and they're set to grow for the next decade to come just drastically. And this is 4.4x times larger than the next closest competitor. I mean, this is ridiculous, guys. The number 2 competitor and number 3 competitor, Zillow and Redfin are a little bit behind as far as, revenue. This company makes some crazy money, and that's what you want to be doing on a spec stock. You want to be getting in a spec stock that makes some crazy money. And this stock has just been absolutely low-key. It's unimaginable how low-key this spec stock has been to the other companies. It's just crazy because of how much money they make. I've been very surprised. This is the largest undisrupted market in the United States right now, a massive market. 68% of Americans are homeowners, 5 million homes sold annually. Look, just massive compared to the auto industry, the food market. Real estate is a $1.6 trillion market. When you want to invest in a company, you want to make sure you're investing in a company that can just grow forever. And right now, this has been a waiting game for about 4 months, but I promise you, these next 2 weeks or so, there's going to be some crazy volatility in this stock. I'm talking ups, downs, massive jumps, pullbacks. You just don't know, but I'm telling you, long term, this company is going to skyrocket down the road. That's what it's all about. I've been buying this stock up around $20. We're going to take a look into the charts. just to see what kind of price action we can get. And I'll also take a look into the call options that I have invested that I've been letting my Patreon members know. And if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I have a Patreon group of over 900 users. I put out call options for undervalued companies. This company is definitely one of those undervalued companies I've been talking about for months. And now people are starting to understand that investors might be loading up in the short term because this bad boy is set to merge soon. And we're going to take a look and some call options. So right here we have the IPOB Social Capital Head of Sophia, and right now the 3-month chart, you know, they announced at the $10 mark. This stock rose crazy fast all the way to that $27 range, and during elections, you know, massive volatility, massive fear. There was a pullback all the way down into that $16 range, and I added up on some calls during the dip, but now we have seen the stock bounce back to nearly $25.60 already, and this thing has been holding up like a rock. When you take a look at that 1-week chart, I mean, this thing has just been creeping. 24, nearly 25. So this bad boy is holding up nicely. There's no telling what's going to happen. But as you can see, guys, I've been loading up heavy on these calls. I got 13 contracts, already up $4,000 on my investment. Nearly, I put in about $5,500, so they're worth about $9,500. So I already got a 76% gain. But if this bad boy does run another 10 bucks or so, 15 bucks in the short term, I'm going to be making some crazy gains on these options. And that's what I do, guys. I put you in great opportunities for call options. I have some $20 calls and I have some $25 calls. I don't buy the short term December, January. There's so much risk when you're going short term. You want to have that cushion for these stocks, you know, longer term. And I got the February and the May, a couple of months out, but these are already looking very nice. And just even the 1-month chart on OPENDOOR IPOB, it's just been creeping up since that $18 range. And remember, ARK investing has been absolutely buying the crap out of this stock all the way from that $18 to $20 range. They've just been buying it up and buying it up. They know long-term this is going to be a huge winner, and this was a SPAC stock that they invested in. They have not invested in a lot of SPAC stocks, I believe barely any. This was one of the first ones they ever invested in. So just know that, you know, OPENDOOR is giving people some great market prices for their homes. They make the process of selling a home much faster. They're selling a lot of houses in their investor presentation, as we can see. We'll just take a look at their website just so you guys can get a further grasp on the company. Guys, this company makes it so easy to finish the deal of selling your house. You receive an offer and sell on your timeline, online cash offer, flexible close date, digital closing. I mean, these guys could potentially, I hate to say it, could be really, really making a hard time for realtors down the road because, you know, the realtor fees are such high costs. As you can see in the slide above, we have multiple feedback of the process is complex, uncertain, time-consuming, and offline, costing as much as 12% of the transaction. So 12% of the value of the home, you know, is going to realtor fees. So there's a lot of people saying, you know, 89% of buyers and sellers use an agent, and their experience is, you know, it's a bit of a time-consuming process with and a lot of equity going towards the closing costs, etc., and realtor fees. So the company has very bullish statements on the transaction of a home process. We are 12x more efficient than a traditional agent. That is a crazy jump from, you know, regular realtors. I mean, they're saying it's 12 times more efficient. 50% reduction of spend to home over the last 2 years. 40% plus bulk pricing discounts on home materials, 10,000 plus subcontractors on our platform. As we slide further down, we can take a look into the company's growth. Our first 6 markets reached 2.7 billion run rate revenue in Q1 2020. 6 markets, 3.2% of the market share. Las Vegas, Phoenix, Dallas, Fort Worth, Atlanta, Orlando, Raleigh. Guys, they are inside the market right now, and they are growing very quickly. That's what you want to look for. You want to look for a company that's already putting up crazy numbers and growing exponentially over the next decade. Our current playbook takes us to $50 billion in revenue. Are you kidding me? $50 billion 4% of the market share, 100 markets, 50 billion run rate revenue. Guys, as you can see, they plan on dominating down the road. This is just a crazy opportunity. Even at this price point, there's no telling how big this company can get. I mean, this company is going public at a perfect time frame. It is still undervalued in my opinion. If we take a look at Zillow, Redfin, these stocks are nearly doubled, quadrupled, OPENDOOR. And just know, I wanted to put this on your radar as fast as I could. Sunday right now, you're going to be getting this video right around 7 o'clock. And I want you guys to just do some due diligence. I'm very pleased to bring this company to you and to your attention. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. This is a very exciting company. I've been watching it for a while now. I've been recommending it, and I just want you guys to know this could be a great short-term as well as a long-term play. So I want you to do your due diligence. This could be a great investment opportunity, and I'm very excited, and I'm excited for the market to open Monday. There's going to be a lot of opportunity. I can assure you of that. Once again, if you feel this video gave you a better insight on OPENDOOR, IPOB, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays in the near future. There's going to be a lot of great information and you don't want to miss out. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.